Ready to dive into the world of Nintendo? This video will guide you through the complete setup of your Nintendo Switch, ensuring you're ready to game in minutes. First, let's unbox your Nintendo Switch. Inside, you'll find the Switch console, left and right Joy-Con controllers, the Nintendo Switch dock, an AC adapter, and an HDMI cable. Slide the left and right Joy-Con controllers onto the sides of the console until you hear a click. Make sure they are securely attached. Now, let's connect the dock. Open the back panel and plug the AC adapter into the top port labeled AC adapter and the HDMI cable into the bottom port labeled HDMI out. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to an available HDMI port on your TV. Plug the AC adapter into a power outlet. Place the Nintendo Switch console into the dock. Make sure the screen is facing forward. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. You should see the Nintendo Switch startup screen. Follow the on-screen prompts first. Select your preferred language. Next, select your region. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect to the internet. This is crucial for updates and online gaming. Now, create a user profile. Select a profile icon and enter a nickname. This will be your identity on the Switch. And that's it. Your Nintendo Switch is now set up and ready to play. You can now download games from the Nintendo shop, insert a game card, and start your gaming adventure. Have fun.